Welcome race fans to the 32nd annual Red Bull Motocross Amateur National. I'm Amy Hood with MotorcycleSuperstore.com, here to witness some of the best racing of the year. Dreams are made and others lost, championships are crowned, and boys become men. Welcome to Loretta Lynn's.
These are dreams come true.
Yeah. This is what we want right here. Good job. One shot.
Malik Swole, not only did you get the whole shot, but you took the championship in the 85 9-11 limited class. Do you know how big of a deal that is?
Yeah, for sure.
And okay, question of the day, what are you going to do with that $100 whole shot?
Probably just gonna buy some squirt guns and stuff, squirt all the little kids around here.
Well, we actually got some free squirt guns, so why don't you go and grab some of those and then we can tear it up tonight, okay?
Yeah, I'll do that.
Hi, Master Pool, showing the 65 711 how it's done. You got 3 whole shots already this weekend, I heard. Tell us how good does it feel right now?
Feels good.
Feels really good?
Yeah.
All right, so I asked you before, but what are you going to do with that $100?
I don't know yet. Probably buy top end.
Awesome. Caitlin Morrow, you laid it on the line there. You have 2nd overall in the Women's Championship, but you won that moto with a huge lead. How are you feeling right now?
Felt really great. I got a pretty decent start and they ended up getting around me on the 2nd corner, but I just got around them as quick as I could and tried to stay up and pull a little lead and ride consistent.
And I hear this is your first year up in the women's 14 plus class as well, so that's a huge accomplishment.
Yeah, I just moved up to the 250 this year and I really like it, and decided to race the 250C here instead of the girls, and kept me on both classes on the big bike, so I really got a lot of track time on it and ready for next year.
Congratulations again, Caitlin. Amazing race.
Thank you.
Hey, I'm Jeff Emmick, and I'm Matt Walker. We got the 250B class at Loretta's going right now. As we speak, it's Guy Plessinger at the grandpa's out front leading this thing. How do you do in Moto 1? He's won everything. This is 4 for 4. He's led almost every lap. So far so good. Sun's out. He's beating up the Lorettas. Almost getting down those third motos where we're going to crown our champions. That's right. You know what? Yeah, I hope so. Yep. So that's what we train for, right?
Holding all your swag there, Aaron. Not only did you get the whole shot in that 250B Moto, but you went 1-1-1, and I hear tomorrow you might make that 6 in a row. How are you feeling right now? This is a huge accomplishment here at Loretta's.
Oh man, I'm ecstatic. I mean, I've been waiting for this all my life. I've been training, I've been putting in the work, and this year it paid off, and my dreams have come true right now, this moment.
Well, congratulations. That was a great race, and you should be proud of yourself.
This is where dreams come true.
I just like to thank Motorcycle Superstore about helmets. They've been helping me out so much throughout this year, and they just give me a lot of help. So I'd like to give a shout out to them. Tim Clark, he's like my grandpa, and he just helped me out so much. So thank you.